Hey everyone, my name is Ki and this is Martin.
Yeah.
We are all from GUSHI Tools.
Yeah.
And today we are presenting you our company and we'll introduce some of our products.
Yeah.
And thanks for your time, everyone.
And first, let me introduce our company, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because our company GUSHI Tools was established in year 2004 by our founder, Mr. Roy. And we have more than around 20 years experience for the power tools accessories, especially for the diamond tools.
Yes. Yeah. As before we had said, we have found since 2004, but we are established in 1995.
Yes, at that time, Mr. Roy was engaged in the business of diamond tools, and he had some customers from Egypt, United States,
Yes.
and some other countries. So from year 1995, he gained more and more experience for the diamond tools.
Yes.
And in year 2004, I think he was ready for establish the company. So GUSHI Tools was born in that year. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Since we are we have many experience in our industry.
Yeah.
And we will bring you the best service.
Yes. And our customer come from all over the world, like Brazil, Argentina,
Yes.
and some other South American countries, and also Middle East.
And Europe.
Europe, yes. We are the regional sales manager for Europe market.
Yes.
Like Germany, Spain, Italy.
Martin.
Yeah,
Okay.
and so on. And now I think we have, I think more and more customer like the service and the products from GUSHI Tools.
Yeah.
So today we would like to introduce some of our best-seller products, okay?
Okay.
And also there's some good news. We have promotion for one special product, right?
Oh, yes. What's the promotion?
I will tell you later, okay?
Okay.
First, let's, I think, the diamond tools business is a big business. Even for diamond tools, there are different kind of customers. Like maybe some customers, they are professional for the construction.
Yes.
Yeah.
For stones.
Yeah,
for
yes,
tiles,
yes,
ceramics.
And also some customers, they just for DIY use.
Sure.
They buy from the construction materials markets.
As before we said, we provide OEM and ODM system, right?
Yeah,
Service.
yes. And in this, I think 3 or 5 years, GUSHI Tools is more focused on a very special line for high quality products for the tiles.
Yes.
Tile
right.
tools, yes. So today, I think let's introduce some of our best tile tools in European market or the global market. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So first, let's introduce the dry cordial bit for tiles.
This is our main product.
Yes, I have been working in GUSHI Tools for 8 years. Yes, I joined in GUSHI Tools in year 2016.
Yes.
Yeah.
Marketing is special for the Europe market.
Not special, but I just focus on the European market. Okay.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, I really like the European customers and all other countries. They're similar, but different countries, they have different culture or different, how can you say, products which they like.
Yes, and we were in the expo for different places, right?
Yes.
Yes, you can introduce something about it.
Yeah. Today I just introduced this dry cordial bit. Yeah, let's focus on it.
I can help you.
Okay. Yeah. I think in 5 or 6 years ago, there was a trend that this kind of product appears in the market.
Yeah.
It's a kind of dry cordial bit. It can be fixed on the angle grinder. Also can drill the tiles like the porcelain tiles without water. So it's very convenient or comfortable for customer to use it.
Yeah.
Because angle grinder are widely used by the men, right? Every home they have angle grinder. They can work.
Sure.
Yes.
And that's how you work better.
Yeah.
And to improve your work
Yes.
efficient.
Also, this kind of cordial bit doesn't need water, so it's very convenient.
Wow.
Yes.
Impressive.
Yeah,
Very impressive.
it can use some popular materials like tiles, porcelain, ceramic. You know, this kind of materials are very popular at everyone's home, right?
Sure.
Yes. And because in maybe 5 years ago, in the market, many cordial bits, they need water to work together.
Yes, for cooling.
Yeah,
Right.
because I think the most major advantage for this product is, you know, the diamond are coated on the surface of the cordial bit.
Yes, this is the most important point
Yeah.
here.
So, and it's also it just be covered on the surface of the steel barrel. So it's very strong, and then there's no worries about that the segment would be broken or something problem else.
Wow, this is
This is
premium quality.
yes,
actually.
yes. So it can support
Yes.
dry drilling the materials.
Sure.
And you know, we use some good quality diamond grit
Yes,
on the barrel.
as I can show you here by zooming. Here is for different cordials with regular line, and here with irregular lines.
Yes.
Yeah, so with different thickness. This one is for 20, 20 thickness, and this one for 10.
Yes.
Yes, they are different.
Yes.
So you can see better.
Yeah.
And they are all for treat in M14.
Yes.
Yes.
And for American market, we can use another standard of the thread.
Yes.
So no problem.
Yes, we can customize.
I just because we use the diamond grits on the surface of barrel, so it can drill the material very sharply. You know, it's our basic style, and as Key show you, this is our how to say pro line.
Oh yes.
A professional line.
Yes.
As you can see, the diamond are arranged on the barrel in the how to say
regular lines.
similar like the Eric's technology.
Yes.
You know? Yeah.
Let me show you. Oh, guys,
Yes.
here
Yes.
you can see the difference. This is
Yeah,
more regular,
yeah.
and this one is
Yes.
more irregular.
Yes. But both of them are very good quality. Take this orange cordial bit as example. As per our internal test, it can drill more than 100 holes in the hard tiles.
Yes.
And for this, we call GMAX cordial bit. This is our internal name for this special line. By our internal test, it can drill more than 200 holes.
Yes, and this quality, if you are interested, please take a contact with us by chat. Yes, and we'll bring you our quotation.
Okay.
And we'll bring you we provide service for 24 hours in 7 days for a week. So we are always here for you.
If the customer needs a sample, can you send them?
Sure, we provide samples.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay.
This is our main product.
Okay. And for this basic line, but also very good quality vacuum braid cordial bits, we have reached a very good sale in Eastern European market and the South American market.
Wow.
Yeah, the demand or potential in the market is really huge. Yeah. Some more and more customers like using this kind of cordial bit. As I explained to you, it's really convenient. Also, the lifespan and quality is really good.
Yes.
Customer, when they buy one piece, they can use for a long time.
Life use is very long.
Life use?
To use the time which you can use.
Okay. And as you can see, we can make a different height of the diamond area for the cordial bit.
Yes,
the basic line is maybe 10 millimeter, and the middle one maybe 15 millimeter.
Yes.
And the higher one is 20 millimeter. Yeah, you can share.
Let me help you.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see, this is for different thick height.
Yes.
And it's applicable too with sets. You can see here for sets. Let me zoom in for you as before we had said.
Yeah, you are talking about the package, right?
Sure.
Yes.
You can see.
Yeah. We can, as you know, Goose Tools provide OEM service. So we can make any package as you wish.
Yes.
Some customers, they have their own brand. So the package is really important for customers.
Sure.
Normally we can make some maybe breezed package.
Yes.
Or plastic
tube.
tube. Yes, or color box.
Handle cards.
Yeah, handle cards and like the aluminum case.
Yes.
Yes. Any package as a wish. And also the MOQ is very low.
Oh yes.
Yes. For this kind of aluminum case, I think 50 cases is okay.
Wow.
Yes.
So low.
Yeah. So for the maybe plastic hanger or plastic tube package,
Yes.
100 pieces is all okay.
Well, Martin, you have bring so much to the.
So if you are a beginner of the business, or if this is your new products for you, don't want to take any risks, we can support you. No problem. At the beginning, we can produce less quantity for you to test the market.
We're waiting for your texting.
Yeah. And also the samples are available now.
Sure.
Please feel free to contact with us if you need to the test. We can send to you maybe within 24 hours, right?
Sure. For 7 days in
Even
week,
in the night, you will come here?
I will text you as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay. But for sample, what size you can provide for the die?
Now in the warehouse, we stock some size like 6mm, 8, and 35 or this popular size. I believe this size are very enough for you to make some tests, right?
Yes, because the size in 6 and 35, as you said, has more test value.
Yes.
For you.
Yes,
I think. Yes.
And that's the good news that we have a promotion, right? For this basic line, the cordial bit.
Yes, but promotion.
Can you imagine that the price of the 6mm maybe is less than one or around $1 or
the person I know is for 30% to 40% as before for promotion.
You mean the price are much lower than the normal price?
Yes,
it's very good price.
Wow,
for you to see the market.
We even had this promotion before.
Okay. Yeah. So our promotion, the very time is this month and next month, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So everyone just pay attention that there's really a good chance for you to try this product. Yeah.
Instead to help us, you can contact us. Yeah. You can move first.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have some other question about this kind of product?
I think
you can share.
I think you have told enough more, but you can introduce this one for me.
Yeah, this is a kind of cordial bit for the sink, you know?
Oh.
You know, every sink they have, I don't know how to speak.